In this video, we are going to see how we can add or remove the music, TV shows, and all the movies you like to your profile list so that the others can see what kind of movies and TV shows you watch or like. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So all you have to do is just switch to your profile and profile view and click on the about section. And from here, we click on the interest. And under here, you can add all the popular TV shows, movies, and music. So for example, if I click on movies, I want to share it with my friends, or you can share it with public as well. Click done, and we can choose any movie which is our all-time favorite. So let's say this one and this one and all. Click on save. You can add your thoughts about it. Click save. And similarly, you can add all the games, sports teams, athletes you like, or any kind of music to your profile from here. So for example, this, click save. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.